people can't park properly. Like this dude didn't even touch the ball. Like his best step in his own flip in partner. Look at the dude, look at the dude. Look at that dude, look at that dude. Look at that dude. That dude is playing soccer with rugby ball. Look at that dude, look at that dude. You're supposed to go to try, bro.
I got him. Now, boy. I touch him and then it kicks, right?
Rylan, but it's forward. Rylan Writers versus AJ. Yeah. I know I just know him, but I think he's gonna be embarrassed when I say it. I think I just gonna be embarrassed when I say his surname. And as Rylan on the ball. Rylan, Writers. AJ Tamkulu. It's AJ. Ooh, and AJ Malasa your surname. Okay. It's Conor McGregor and AJ Jr. just scored a goal. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan Writers runs behind the post. AJ Tamkulu. His surname is Tamkulu. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan, I Tamkulu. Rylan on the ball. Rylan Writers. And I think that's a knock on. Knock on. It's AJ Jr. on the ball. Rylan Writers runs and he tries. Ow! No try. That's a foul ball. Yes, you may. Conor McGregor. Oh, will it catch the ball? And no, it does not catch the ball. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan Writers on the ball. Rylan Writers, you must kick in the ball. Rylan Writers kick the ball. Oh, when AJ Jr. catches the ball. Okay. Conor McGregor just decided to play worse the game. Oh, Conor McGregor have the ball. Oh, AJ Jr. have the ball. Oh, what a try from AJ Jr. Oh, they're both fighting over the ball. AJ Tamkulu versus Rylan Writers.
Slowest one is first AJ, then Rylan, then
than me.
Okay, then Liam, then AJ, then Zach.
It's first AJ the slowest. Then it's Rylan, then it's Connor, then it's me, then it's AJ.
Okay. I thought, I'm faster than Ryan. Pick up your hand. Hey, I'm faster than Ryan. Yes. Ha, I told you. Now come into the races. No, bro.
You still remember when I did dash you, Kaiden? Uyati is coming for me. Kaiden, he look like gremlin. Talagang susang ko penlan.
Oh, I just similar.
And it's off time, it's off.